thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, north-central York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bainbridge, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hershey, Colonial Park, Weigelstown, Elizabethtown, Progress, Middletown, Palmyra, Lingelstown, Steelton, Hummelstown, Paxtonia, and Stony Brook, Wilshire. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 245 to 258. Interstate 81 from mile markers 70 to 81. Interstate 83 between mile markers 22 and 36, and from mile markers 45 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, and York. The National...
Okay.